In this video, I will show you how to fix internet connected but no internet access issue on your computer. Something like this. It's connected but it's saying no internet access. Or something like this. Connected but no internet access. So you won't be able to browse the internet even though you are connected to the network. I will show you 6 methods. Hopefully one of them will work for you. So watch this video carefully until the end. Also, I will give you important troubleshooting practices. So watch out. Method 1. Go to settings. Search for settings. Click on settings. Then click on network and internet. Scroll down and click on network troubleshooter. Now it's detecting the problem. The thing is, my own network now does not have any issue, but it will bring you to this page, to this window, and it will ask you to select the adapter you want to diagnose. So you can choose all network adapters so that you won't be confused, but better still, you can choose Wi-Fi. But have it in mind that when you choose all network adapters, it takes few seconds more for it to complete the diagnose. Now let's click on next. So it's starting to detect or to diagnose your computer. So it will check all adapters. Now we are here. So this place says Windows tested your internet connection and verified that you are able to access some websites. Are you looking for help with a different issue? So this means that Windows did not see any issue with my network, with my internet connection, and that's because I don't have any issue right now. So since I don't have any issue with my network, troubleshooting couldn't identify any problem. Meanwhile, if there was a problem, it might give you an option to fix. Then you click on the fix and it will do it for you, but most times it does not work. So if this did not solve the issue, try this next method. Method 2. Open CMD and run as administrator. You can do this in several ways. I will show you 2. Come to search here and type CMD. Then you can click on run as administrator, or you press the Windows key and R together on your keyboard. Let me show you how you can do that. So when you press the window key, see it shows here window key, then R together, then it brings up this small window for you. Let me close this. So then type in CMD and press OK. So now this window will come up for you. Now you can type in ipconfig space / flushdns, then click enter on your keyboard. So when you do that, it flushed your DNS, it recycle your network settings, and it will show you, it will ask you to restart after that. Let me show you how it looks. So this is how it looks after pressing enter. Successfully flushed the DNS, so it has been flushed. Restart your computer. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell below so you won't miss my future videos like this. Stay true to the end. A quick tip: in troubleshooting, always test each change or step you take before another one. So this will help you to identify the one that actually resolved your problem. This method too should resolve the issue, but if not, try the next method. Method 3. Open CMD. Search for CMD and click on Run as Administrator. Yes. Now, type in this command. Don't worry, I have it here already. I will show you. So type in this command, netsh space winsock space, then reset. Then hit enter on your keyboard. Then after that, it will tell you to restart your computer in order to complete the reset. Before you do that, type in this next command, netsh space int space ip space reset space c : /resetlog.txt. So after that, you seal this resetting, and then you will restart your computer. Then after this, don't worry, I have the commands in my description below, so you can just check and copy, then paste it in your command line. So tip 2, most times it is important to restart your computer after taking some steps to repair any issue. This is important in order to apply the fix on your computer. Now, if this method did not work, move to method 4. Method 4. Sometimes the no internet access issue might be as a result of your previous connection to a static IP address and DNS server. Hence, your computer will not be able to automatically connect with another network. Do this. Go to your network icon on the taskbar. Right click on it and click on Open Network and Internet Settings. Click Change Adapter Options. Right click on Ethernet and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Then click on Properties. Now set it to obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. Then click on OK. Then close. After this, you can restart your computer. But if this method again did not work, try the next method. Method 5. Right click on the internet icon on the taskbar. Click Open Network and Internet Settings. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Now, set it to how mine is. Set it to how you see mine currently. Under Private, set it to Turn on Network Discovery. Take this and take this for printer sharing. Collapse this. Then in Guest and Public Current Profile, turn off the Network Discovery. Turn off File and Printer Sharing. Then under All Networks, turn off Public Folder Sharing. Use 128-bit encryption. Turn on Password and Protection Sharing. Then after you do all those, click Save Changes. Then you can now restart your computer. Method 6. At this point, I would love to give you another tips. Always remember that in troubleshooting, what would make you the greatest, heaviest changes to your computer should be the last option for you. So don't do this, this method 6, without trying previous methods. It is also best to create a restore point before applying these changes so that you can go back in time. I will show you how to create restore point in my future video, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell below to receive notification. Now let's dive right in for method 6. Go to the internet icon on your taskbar and right click, then click on open network and internet settings. Scroll down and click on network reset. So before you click on reset now, do well to read the information there. It says this will remove, then reinstall your network adapters, good, and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards. Maybe the software that you installed on your computer before. Networking softwares such as VPN client software, or virtual switches. So that shouldn't be so much of a problem. Then you can click reset now on your computer. So that's it. I've shown you 6 methods you can use to fix your computer network issue. You can let me know in the comment section below which method solved your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment down.